Hi there, my name's Andrew Albert, Sales Consultant with NetSuite. Welcome to NetSuite's SuiteSuccess pre-recorded demonstrations for manufacturing. In this video, I assume the role of an accountant, responsible for AP. You'll notice that with NetSuite's leading practices, we provide end-to-end traceability of the purchase order process, connecting related transactions to allow for quick and easy reference. We're also proactively notified when vendor bills need to be paid, incorporating early terms discounts, helping make sure my team is cutting checks at the most opportune moment, all of which while impacting the general ledger in real time, without any delay from batch updates. All right, let's go ahead and hop into the system. I'm now logged into NetSuite as an account. Notice my role-based dashboard. Everything you see here is provided out of the box with SuiteSuccess. NetSuite puts a lot of focus on boosting productivity of your users, and we do that through the dashboard, where we aim to have a majority of what your users do on a daily basis initiated directly from here. Let's just say I arrived to the office and pulled up my dashboard. As soon as I'm logged in, NetSuite is proactively notifying me how many and which vendor bills we should be expecting. I don't need to waste time finding and digging into PO registers or working through spreadsheets to figure this out. Instead, I simply drill into my purchase orders to bill reminder and begin working from a list of POs NetSuite has already determined have not been billed yet. At this point, I have a few options. I can filter by vendor, scan a barcode to pull up a specific PO, or select multiple bills to be generated at once, or select one from the list. This kind of flexibility helps me adapt the system to how we actually operate. If we receive several bills from a vendor, I can filter and easily find for which orders they might be. Again, saving me time with such a user-friendly system. Not to mention, my team is happy about not having to walk all the way to the office to sift through hard copies of POs. They can pull this up from any device with internet access, helping my team be more efficient, saving me money down the line. Let's select the bills that I've in hand and double-check the details. My PO information is brought forward automatically, so I really only have to make a change if there's something different on the bill I received from the vendor. Now, defaulting information from the PO is going to help mitigate manual errors that I've certainly been guilty of in the past. It's also going to help save time up front and on any cleanup as a result of those errors. And it helps ensure deltas in what is received versus what is billed are identified, helping us save on those arbitrary costs that hurt our bottom line. In this case, I don't have any changes to make. Our vendor billed appropriately, which is great, and we're all set. With the appropriate permissions, I can quickly drill into the financial impact of my bill. I can see right away, everything is hitting the appropriate general ledger account automatically. This is a key advantage of NetSuite, the ability to have business transactions like PO receipts or bills impact financials in real time without having to wait for subledgers to roll up to the GL, fueling our real-time reporting and analytics, ultimately helping me and my colleagues better manage our teams and make quicker decisions when things go awry. Now that I'm all set entering any vendor bills I've received, and since today is Thursday, I'll go ahead and pay my vendors. Once again, I don't need to sift through a bunch of reporting. All I need to do is take a look at my reminders. NetSuite intelligently analyzes all open vendor bills, determines the optimal timing of payment based on terms, and proposes them within my bills to pay reminder. With the details brought forward once again, from there, it's a matter of point and click. If I had more than one bill due at this point, I would have the opportunity to select and pay multiple bills by checking the box. For checks, NetSuite will place each payment in a queue. For electronic payments, an electronic payment file is populated with the necessary details. That file can then be exported and uploaded to your bank or sent via integration. And there you have it. In just a few moments, I entered a vendor bill and paid a separate bill through my reminders on the dashboard.